She is actually Agatha Harkness. She is a superhero photon who gets power from the Wanda. The fourth. Hello everyone, I hope you are all very good. We saw Agnes as Agatha Harkness in episode 7 of WandaVision, which everyone is feeling somewhere from beginning that Agnes is Agatha Harkness. But after episode 6, Marvel shows us that she is also under control of Wanda. But I think everything is clear now. Fine, I will not talk about Agnes anymore. I will talk about someone who is related to Agnes somewhere. That is no other than Mephisto. We saw some clear-cut reference of Mephisto in some scenes, and in this particular scene where Wanda is looking at this fly, in comics, Mephisto also introduced in the form of fly because he is able to take form of anything. Mephisto is an extra-dimensional demon who first appeared in the comic book of Silver Surfer in issue 3 in 1968. He is the ruler of a pocket dimension which he calls Hell, but this is not the real Hell like our region have. This is only a fairy dimension which he calls Hell. He do so to exploit Earth human being to believe in a single being of absolute evil, who is often referred as Satan. Mephisto is a highly skilled liar and a strategist. He is also a highly skilled sorcerer with a near infinite knowledge. Mephisto makes deals with people to make them to do work as he wants, but he is unable to force them. People have to sign deal first. Mephisto can fulfill almost any wish that someone wants in exchange of something. That is usually his soul. But Mephisto is not able to force them, and also he is not able to make same kind of pact with same person he is done before. Mephisto possesses superhuman strength, speed, stamina, durability, and he is also able to regenerate himself. He is also immortal and able to manipulate the reality. Mephisto has power to insert the astral bodies like souls. But source of Mephisto's power is his realm like other gods. So as long as Mephisto stays away from his realm, his power will decrease. That's why Mephisto have to return in his realm after some period of time. Out of all this, Mephisto is also responsible for creating Ghost Riders. Now let's talk about the connection of Wanda to the Mephisto. In comics, Wanda created his twins by using fragments of Mephisto's souls unknowingly, which further Mephisto absorbs. In here, we also saw some reference to this, and here in this episode, this scene also. Unleash hell, demon spawn! Where this joke is directly related to Mephisto. So it is interesting to see next episode that Marvel will introduce Mephisto or not. But I am sure that Marvel will introduce Mephisto in next episode. But his cameo will be only for few minutes. Maybe Marvel saves him for Doctor Strange Madness of Multiverse. So this is all about Mephisto and his links to WandaVision. Hope you guys like the video, and if you found video informative, do like and subscribe. Stay tuned, watch more videos. Hope we will meet soon. Till then, Tata.